Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today we're going to be doing a little bit of Boom Beach. We are going to do a, drum roll please, all rocket launcher raid. Let's do it. Okay, well, let's find out. Let's find a good one. You guys think we can get this one? Probably just take out that rocket launcher and go for all these other things. Yeah, sure. Alright, let's do this one. Okay. Let's use our rockets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kill that thing. Spread them out so the machine guns won't get them all at once. And go. Let's zapper. Alright, we're doing good so far. Come on, guys. Go for that machine gun, you turds. Got this. Put that healing spell. Just because I like to finish with healing troops. Sweet, we did it. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, guys. I'm going to try something different next time. And, alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Please subscribe. Any comments that you have, please ask. Alright, later.